Welcome to Brunswick Point Apartment Homes, located in beautiful Leland, North Carolina. Today we are featuring our first floor, 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, 889 square foot Bradley floor plan. Your new home features a hallway entry with entry to your guest bathroom. This guest bathroom features a large vanity, tons of counter space, framed mirror, and entry into your guest bedroom. Our spacious guest bedroom features a large picture window allowing for tons of natural lighting and 2 closets for that additional storage space you've been looking for. As we exit our guest bedroom and enter your living room space, Brunswick Point Apartments features 2-tone paint with gray trim, gray hardwood flooring, and large French doors leading to your porch or balcony and additional storage closet. On the other side of this open floor plan, our spacious master bedroom features a picture window allowing for additional natural lighting, and a private master bathroom with extra large vanity, tons of counter space, framed mirror, and garden tub. Additionally, this master bedroom features a large closet for tons of storage. Brunswick Point Apartment Homes feature stainless steel appliances, including an ice maker in your freezer, a hovering microwave, a flat-top stove, and dishwasher. Although we do not provide washer and dryers to our residents, each Brunswick Point apartment home features a full-size washer and dryer hookup. You can bring your own washer and dryer or contact our leasing office regarding renting a washer and dryer. Thank you for visiting Brunswick Point Apartment Homes today. We hope you enjoyed your personal tour.